Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, absolutely insane move today. If you weren't aware of GME, I don't know what you're doing. I mean, maybe you're playing under a rock or something, but even if you didn't trade it, I mean, surely you've seen it today. But I mean, crazy move. Another leg of the shorts just getting their face pounded in. And now that the dust has settled, a couple of key levels have revealed themselves. And on that note, I'm not trying to come across like any of these levels that I'm talking about is a great discovery on my part or some sort of special talent. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, watch charts, are going to be watching these exact same levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is that area of support right there at the $54 mark. Now, I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen, but my point here is it's a more than plausible, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price were to come down to 54 and break down through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but certainly a more than valid thought to have, based on the data that the chart is now giving us. If the price level does break below 54, next key area of support would then be down there right around the $49 mark. On the flip side of things, the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching right up here at that $64 mark. Again, nothing guaranteed, but more than plausible, more than valid to think that if the price were to come up to 64, get the break, that break in and of itself could once again create some good solid upside buying pressure, with the next potential pit stop being not until up around these highs around the $75 mark. So 64 and 70, the next key levels of resistance. But all in all, I know I'll be watching this one next week. I'm sure you will be too, but what a crazy mover. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.